After a very pleasantly mild couple of days, near record level warmth after cold air set records last Tuesday at 21 below zero. Today we're up into the 70s. The cold front makes its way in tonight. We'll get northerly breezes by late tonight into the day tomorrow. It's not going to be the same kind of north wind we had last week. It only brings us back down to near average temperatures. And after that cool down, we start to see some warmer weather moving back in toward the weekend. A little increase in cloud cover over the last 30 minutes or so. Those clouds have been starting to stream in, giving us a partly cloudy sky now. We'll see just a few passing clouds as the sun's going down. Temperatures are starting to cool off back to 64 degrees, a light southerly wind at 7 miles per hour. But temperature wise and with light wind, a really nice evening out ahead of us. A quick drop to temperature, though, after hitting 71, will quickly fall to the 50s and eventually down into the 40s during the evening hours. But last night, we're down to 27. That was a big rebound from cold conditions this morning to warmth this afternoon. 64 at Topeka, 61 in Manhattan, and 62 for Concordia and Clay Center. Still holding the 50s to the south, and southerly wind generally about 6 to 9 miles per hour. The wind has come down already. It will continue to weaken through the evening, becoming somewhat light and variable right before the next front comes through and kicks the wind up a little stronger toward morning. Around daybreak, 10 to 20 mile per hour northerly winds, and that north breeze letting up a little bit tomorrow afternoon, but still a breeze around throughout the course of the day tomorrow as well. Temperatures, generally speaking, are going to be cooler. It's not going to be cold, but cooler, noticeably cooler, with highs in the upper 40s tomorrow. And then we cool back down into the 20s heading into early Thursday, with Thursday's high again in the 40s. But I think we're going to see a decent amount of cloud cover increase as we head into Thursday. Not looking at a lot of clouds right now. A few of these high, thin clouds coming up from the south and west. That's all we're seeing currently are those scattered clouds moving through. That's part of this whole jet stream disturbance, which is actually centered more to the north. As it slides across the Dakotas, it'll push a front southward tonight, but it will not bring us any precipitation, just the front. The clouds, high, thin clouds for the most part tonight. Maybe a little bit more cloud cover behind the front and those northerly breezes at times tomorrow. But I think still we're looking at what we would call just partly cloudy weather for Wednesday. But Wednesday night into Thursday, the clouds build in. And at times Thursday, we may have even partly to mostly cloudy weather. And with temperatures cooling down, it's going to feel a little different over the next couple of days. 32 tonight, north breezes, and 48 tomorrow. We would have given anything for 48 degrees last week, but tomorrow it's going to feel a little cooler after hitting highs into the 70s today. Tomorrow, temperatures cool down, and then we stay in the 40s again for Thursday. 40s to about 50, 51 or so on Friday, but then a nice recovery. Saturday looks good, high of 60 degrees, maybe a few showers on Sunday, and then again on Tuesday. Neither one of those look to be high chances for precipitation overall, other than Saturday. The next week's looking pretty close to average, lots of 40s and lower 50s. Let's look this morning. Well, it's still a little cold out there, and the sun was low coming through the trees there from Monte Nelson at Topeka, but it certainly warmed up and a gorgeous day today. Enjoy the last couple hours of it before the front arrives tonight.